What's up, everybody? My name is James Turnipseed. So we got some boxes and some packages and some stuff. I already know what's in these two, so I'm gonna start with this box. And I think I know what's in here, but I'm not sure. So let's there's the letter opener. Okay, I think I do know what this is. Yep. So, World Series of Fighting, wsof, World Series of Fighting. They had a contest every now and then, and I participated in one, and I won one. It's got a t-shirt, so that's cool. We'll put that over there. And we got a pair or a signed glove by Lewis something or another, so that's pretty cool. Right there, Lewis. Oh, there's two. That's cool. Two pairs, or a set. And then I'm sure this is a signed poster as well. So I'm doing those contests, you guys. Even if you don't win, at least you made an effort, right? Okay. Posters are one of the hardest things to get in the mail and get out fast. It's ridiculous. Know what I'm saying? Take a Chinese finger trap. If anybody has a tip on how to get posters out faster, leave it in that comment section. It would be greatly appreciated. You know what? On to the next thing. We'll go back to that. This. I got this off of eBay. Good old eBay. I also got one more thing off of eBay that isn't coming or isn't here yet because it's coming from Hong Kong. And, it's a little Kozushi Sakuraba keychain figure with the wrestling mask he used to wear when he would work out in Pride. From Pride, actually, like 7-Eleven Japanese exclusive stuff. So if you want to watch that unboxing, leave it in the comment section and I'll do it when it gets here. Oh sweet, I love when people do this. Totally unnecessary. Oh, it's sealed Tristan Mayhem Miller versus Tally from Icon Sport or Super Bowl. If you don't know what that is, it's was Hawaii's the '1 organization back in the day. Tristan Mayhem and Tally's like the only two people know. In this turn, There's the back. This of other fights. I'm one of those people that like watching old fights, so 1530 on the inside. A little damaged from shipping or being old, so that's fine. In case it's a little messed up here. That's fine. This. I know what this is for. I got this from Listia, L-A-S-T-I-A. And it's basically the same as eBay, but free. Just list an item and people bid on it for credits. So this is Pro Wrestling Illustrated presents the 1997 Wrestling Almanac and Books of Facts. So if you don't know, I'm a wrestling dork from about 93 to 2004. So this is pretty cool. Black and white book. So yeah, that's that. And I go back to fiddling with this poster. I'm gonna just stab the shit out of it. See it in there. Oh. I wish my fingers were a little bit on there. Pull it out. Whoops. Almost got it. See how far down it was? Anything else? Cool. See it. What's it? Fighting 23 signed poster. So that's pretty cool. Red Avatar. You see it? So that's that. Leave a comment section down below. Let me know what was your favorite. If you know how to get posters out of boxes easier, let me know. Thanks for watching. Peace. I'm out of here.